Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Saini. In news overseas, rapper Lil Wayne's album The Carter 5 drops in a few hours. Coincidentally, today's also his birthday.
Again, on my birthday, I actually have something special for y'all. I will be releasing The Carter 5 on my birthday. If you don't know what my birthday is, Wikipedia does.
To celebrate the release of Carter 5, Weezy has collaborated with 14 talented designers for a limited edition merchandise collection. The exclusive collection is fully curated by Bravado, which has worked alongside Kanye West, Travis Scott and Justin Bieber in the past. Each drop contains Wayne merchandise that will only be available for 24 hours. The first pieces were released yesterday over at the Carter 5's official online shop. Carter 5 has been in the works since 2012, but some legal troubles between Wayne and Cash Money Records have prevented the release of the album for years. The New Orleans rapper and his former mentor Birdman have now reached a settlement in their ongoing lawsuit, and that's how the delayed album will finally be released. Last week, an unofficial tracklist surfaced online, but Weezy nor his camp has confirmed that the tracklist is from the actual album. The third annual Peter Tosh Music Festival will get underway next month in an effort to honor the singer whose birthday falls on October 19. The week will feature Peter Tosh Gala Awards. Award categories include the Equal Rights Award, to be given to an individual who strives for the progression of equal rights. Step in Razor Award, which honors individuals who contribute to the arts and entertainment industries. And the Legalize It Award, which recognizes an individual who encourages the legalization of cannabis and its research. The festival continues with the Peter Tosh Museum and a concert featuring reggae artists Freddie McGregor, Jesse Royal, Luciano and Itana. Artists Wayne Marshall, Shane O, Rondell Positive and TJ are booked to perform at the Regional 2 show of Pan 2018 at Independence Park, Black River in St. Elizabeth this Saturday. The culinary extravaganza will see 30 pan chefs who represent the parishes of Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland and Manchester compete in a live 60-minute cook-off. A winner and runner-up will be chosen from each parish to advance to participate at the Pan Grand Final on Sunday, October 28 at the National Stadium. Pan 2018 is sponsored by the RJR Gleaner Group. Canex Jamaica Business Conference and Expo kicked off today in Montego Bay. Persons are encouraged to connect and build strategic relationships with high-powered global, regional and local cannabis experts, researchers, business professionals and policymakers in a truly memorable and vibrant setting. Former TV host and medicinal cannabis advocate Montel Williams and former Mexican President Vicente Fox are slated to deliver keynote addresses. More than 1,500 delegates from over 20 countries across North, South and Central America, the Caribbean, Europe and Australia are expected to attend this year's staging of the Canex Jamaica Business Conference and Expo. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Soini. Thank you for watching.